is just Jinger and this bitch. Thanks for clicking the link. So, welcome back to my channel, and Kylie Jenner just said she was fucking pregnant! She just had the little baby February 1st, and she literally just said it while I was sitting here recording my last murder mystery video. Okay, and if you haven't seen that, go check it out. Or I think I'm gonna post this one ASAP, because yeah. So, this, she literally just posted this like 5 minutes ago. And I'm just like sitting here recording. So I was like, let me be one of the first to watch the video. So this is to our daughter. She was pregnant by Travis Scott. Bitch, I knew it. Bitch, I knew it. And we need to have more friends like Kylie Jenner's holding it down. So let's watch this together. Okay, let's watch it together, guys.
Yeah, we're going. And we're waiting for you, Kylie. Right there.
I can't believe she had a baby. Oh my god. I'm shook. I'm motherfucking shook. I'm shooketh. Oh, she's so cute.
Look at her.
Oh.
Look at her.
Oh. That's when Caitlyn Jenner.
Whatever your name is going to be. This is how
I love Jordan. I really love Jordan, for real. That's a real one.
Your mother and I were living our lives, having fun. She met your father, and they just hit it off. Chemistry.
Aww. Aww. Dang. She had no kid with Tiger, though. I know that's right, boo. That's the fucking point!
One day, I was in your mom's bathroom with her, and she took a little test. We were sitting in the tub. Yeah, you were sitting on the tub. I was standing by the counter. And then how did she say it, though? And then she passed it to me after, like, surprise. Like, she just looked at me weird, and I'm like, what? And I didn't know that's what she was doing. Yeah, so when she passed it to me, I was like, I didn't even tell you. She was like, she gave us a look.
Wow. Wow.
I was like, no. Like, this is a baby.
What, bitch? You fucking pregnant. Shit, you got money. Hey, what kids you got, sis? Aww. She looks so cute. She looks so happy. I can't believe she kept it a secret 9 months. Wow. Aww. Damn, that's crazy. She paid all that money for her body. Bitch, you gotta go through it all again, sis. That's insane. That's freaking insane. She knew what she was doing putting it on YouTube, though. She said, let me get this coins. Let me get these coins off this monetization.
Is she moving?
At least it's a girl.
Oh. So crazy. You got 5 fingers. Oh, these are nice pictures. Thank you so much. When you're 20 years old, you're just figuring out your life. You don't know what you want. You're indecisive teenager.
Damn.
You're just becoming a young adult. And there was one thing that your mom knew for sure, and that was you.
I love Jordan. This is gonna make me cry. Like, this is gonna be a funny video, but I'm really about to get teared up.
She said, I have
Oh.
something to tell you. And I said, you're pregnant. Obviously, I started crying. I was so happy. I was proud of her. I knew this is what she wanted ever since she turned 15.
Oh, She looks so cute pregnant. I really about to bid on her, but now she looks so freaking cute. I love Kylie Jenner. Ever since her, like, My Life with Kylie or whatever it's called, love it. Oh.
We counted all her toes today. She has 5. Oh, 5 everything.
Oh.
We just got that today. It's 25 weeks. I'm so excited.
Yo, I'm so glad. This is such a marketing tool. Yo, I swear, they are some marketing geniuses. Like, they are freaking smart.
She always said how much she wants to be a mom, and
Right? She always said that.
she was born to be a mom. She was born to be a mom. I mean, and that's the thing is, and it's like I still get chills.
So wait, only gained what? 20 to what? 20 pounds you've gained. No, I mean for the whole thing. 28 to 35. So yeah, 8 more pounds. Do cardio. If you're gonna eat, you need to exercise. It's just In-N-Out these days literally tastes like, oh, it's the best. Can I tell you something? Never eat In-N-Out. No, don't tell me.
Double cheeseburger and fries, well done, please. Do I want cheese fries tonight? Okay, right? Who got cheese fries?
Kevin, you get cheese fries?
Oh my god.
Should we close the window?
Yeah, just so we can bask in it.
Okay, so this is the baby's heart. These are the 4 chambers of the heart.
Can we hear the heartbeat?
Is this Travis Scott's first kid? Is this his first child? Is this his first kid?
There's your grandbaby. Isn't that cute?
Do you have any messages to the baby?
I can't wait to, like, meet.
What if she's like anti-makeup?
I mean, I wouldn't.
Or she's like, bro, like she can beat her face at age 5. It's
Oh,
like,
that was her baby shower.
I love you, and I love your mom, and she's gonna take amazing care of you. Are you crying? She's gonna take amazing care of you, and you are one lucky girl to be able
I wish I had real friends like this. I don't have no real friends.
Me and Heather are 4 weeks apart.
I don't have no like. That's crazy.
Me and Kim are 4 weeks apart.
That was her baby shower. Where's my Jordan? But you know, I'm not gonna lie. Viv is starting to be like my baby girl. Starting to be like. She's had such a good heart. Everyone go follow Viv.
34 weeks today.
34 weeks.
Only about a month left.
What did she say? 32? 34?
2 burgers. One for me, one for the baby. And 2 different fries. Because I like regular fries. She really likes sweet potato fries. And then I got enough mac and cheese, greens, 1 rib.
Where are you sitting?
Is that Travis Scott family? That's dope. That's so dope. Oh, she looks so cute. Where's my boyfriend at?
Aww.
I like the sample.
Jordy.
Oh.
These are so cute.
Did you see the first ones that were made?
This is so cute.
She looks completely different. And we're Asians because everybody else is so scary. And then someone was like this, like you guys.
Did you figure out the name?
I think we're gonna go to Chicago. But it's cute.
I love Chicago. Chicago was cute, boo. Good job, Kim. Oh, look at Dream. Oh.
Dreamy, you saw the baby.
Oh. I wonder what they named her.
What your vagina's about to feel like. Like for real.
I actually don't really know.
Do you have any message to your granddaughter? You've got the best mom, and you're so lucky. This is such a blessing. It's going to be the most amazing journey.
That's so
I can't wait to see you,
Oh,
meet
my
you,
boyfriend.
kiss you, love you, teach you things
Let me stop,
that
y'all.
maybe only I can teach you, and your mom can teach you the things she can teach you. So it definitely takes a village, and I learned that along the way.
Is she going to the hospital? She's giving birth. She's giving birth.
Here. Okay, wait.
5 centimeters.
4 hours away.
I think she has 5 more until she can start pushing. I wonder, is this his first kid?
Kendall's here on the phone.
Oh,
Lovey's here. Mommy's
Wait,
here.
it's a little unfocused.
Lovey's
Hold on.
here.
this is so cute.
Everything. Into it. And go. Yes, 8. Good job. 9, 10. Take a breath.
Oh,
One more. You're done.
I don't like that it's a blank screen though.
Ready? Good. Okay, deep breath. All right, you can do this kind of. Hold it till 10. Hands over your legs.
6,
Ready?
7, 8,
Here she comes, Kylie. Here she comes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open.
Oh, oh, I love babies. Oh my gosh. To her daughter. Oh. That was so cute. Oh my goodness. Kylie Jenner, bitch, you're a mom. That's insane. That's it for this video. That's freaking crazy. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Click the link in the bio. Wait, what link is in the bio? I forget. Was I supposed to say? If not, oh well, fuck it. Be you, stay true, stay beautiful. My camera battery is gonna die. Bye, guys.